Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube video with a specific start or end time. So first up, what you need to do is to pull up your YouTube on your browser and then just open the video that you wish to share. And then from there, you can go to the specific time that you wish to share the video. So for example, right here. And then just right click on the screen and then select copy video URL at current time. So here we're going to try this out to check if it works. So just give me a second. All right, so we copied the URL. Now we're going to paste it right here. And as you can see, it starts on that specific time. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.